Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. You are welcome back to my channel, Nail Vibes, the channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. And today is not an exception because I have the best collections of short purple acrylic nail designs for you, my gorgeous queens. So for that very event, that wedding, that party, that special occasion that you want to plan for, and purple happens to be the color of the day, watch this video to the end so that you choose the best light for yourself. Okay, so in case you are seeing the channel for the first time or you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, turn on your bell notification so that you will be the first to be notified as soon as a new video is dropped in this channel. Thank you so much as you do that. And at the end of the video, please go down to the comment section and tell me what you feel or what you think about my video or my channel in general. I also say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much. So ladies, as you watch the video, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button. Like the video, and also feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. Thank you so much, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.